Hello my dear students. In this session we are learning one more topic of electrochemistry, molar conductivity. Myself Jairaj Hegde, and let us get into the topic. Let us see what is molar conductivity. Molar conductivity is also denoted by a letter lambda m. Let us look into it. It is the conductance due to the ions produced by solution which contains 1 mole of electrolyte. The solution must contains 1 mole of electrolyte, and the conduction produced by those ions are called molar conductivity, and it is defined as the molar conductivity can also be defined as the conducting power of all ions that are formed by dissolving a mole of electrolyte in the solution. Let me take an example. If I have taken 1 mole of NaCl, if I dissolve it in any amount of water, it forms a 1 mole per volume solution, and the conducting power of all those ions, I can call it as molar conductivity of the solution, because it contains 1 mole of NaCl. Let me take an example. If volume I have taken in terms of meter cube, then 1 mole of electrolyte, if it is present in 1 meter cube of volume, then I can write the formula for molar conductivity like this: lambda m is equal to kappa into volume. That is, lambda m stands for molar conductivity, kappa stands for the conductivity in terms of Simon per meter. I should have to take conductivity in terms of Simon per meter, and volume must be in meter cube. Remember, volume, if I want to use this formula, volume is not in liter, volume must be in meter cube. So I can get the conductance of 1 meter cube of electrolyte. Lambda m, we have seen lambda m is equal to kappa into volume. Let us assume C moles of electrolyte is present in 1 meter cube of solution. Then what will be the volume for 1 mole? For C mole it will be 1 meter cube. What will be for 1 mole? So if we do cross multiplication, volume of 1 mole of electrolyte will be equal to 1 mole into 1 meter cube divided by C mole, 1 into 1 divided by C. So that's why V equal to 1 over C. V is a reciprocal of concentration. If I substitute this over here, what happens? Lambda m is equal to K divided by C. Lambda m will be equal to K by C. But we should have to note a very important point. Here the concentration is not in terms of mole per liter, it is mole per meter cube. Usually the students make mistakes here. Here lambda m equal to kappa by C. This formula works only when I have taken the concentration in terms of mole per meter cube, not as mole per liter or molarity. So that point you should have to note. So that's why the unit of lambda m will become Simon meter square per mole, because here mole per meter cube and the unit of kappa is Simon per meter. So meter cube goes over here, meter cube per meter cancels out. So that's why we'll get Simon meter square per mole. Let us see how to calculate for in terms of concentration, if it is in terms of mole per liter or molarity. So if the concentration is in mole per liter or molarity, and kappa is not as Simon per meter, kappa is in terms of Simon per centimeter, then the formula will deduce like this: lambda m is equal to kappa Simon into centimeter and C mole per liter. I should have to convert this liter in terms of centimeter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeters. So that's why lambda m will be equal to kappa into kappa in terms of Simon per centimeter and concentration into mole divided by 1000 cm cube. Mole divided by 1000 cm cube. Now the formula will become kappa into 1000 divided by C. The formula is very simple. Lambda m is equal to kappa into 1000 divided by C, where kappa should be in terms of Simon per centimeter and the concentration will be as mole per liter. So the formula will be kappa into 1000 divided by concentration. If I take in terms of molarity, the unit will become Simon centimeter square per mole, because I have taken the unit of kappa as Simon per centimeter. The unit will become Simon centimeter square per mole. This formula is very important. You can get the problems on this. Lambda m is equal to kappa into 1000 divided by C, when kappa is taken as Simon per centimeter. Formula to calculate lambda m: if concentration is in mole per liter but K is in Simon per meter, not in Simon per centimeter, it is in Simon per meter, then how to solve this? Lambda m is equal to K into Simon per meter divided by C into mole per liter. Then I should have to convert this liter into meter cube. So what is the relationship? 1 liter is equal to 10 power minus 3 meter cube, or 1 meter cube is nothing but 1000 liter. That's why 1 liter is equal to 1 by 1000 meter cube. So if I substitute that, K into Simon per meter divided by C into mole divided by 10 power minus 3 meter cube, this will go up and the formula will become K Simon per meter into meter cube divided by C into 1000 mole. So what happens here? Per meter cube cancels out and the formula will become kappa divided by C into 1000. Kappa divided by C into 1000 Simon meter square per mole. Kappa lambda m is equal to kappa divided by C into 1000, where C in terms of molarity, C into 1000 Simon meter square per mole. Remember a point here, if it is in terms of centimeter, the 1000 will comes on the numerator. If we have taken in terms of meter, 1000 will come in denominator. Let's have a shortcut here. Smaller unit multiply. As the centimeter is the smaller unit, 1000 is to be multiplied. Meter is a larger unit, so 1000 is to be divided. Smaller unit multiply, larger unit divide. Thank you. Thank you for watching.